Want pro level tuning in the palm of your hands? The Innovate Motorsports LM-2 delivers real-time data monitoring on any engine and with any fuel type. The LM-2 is your all-in-one tool for precision tuning and diagnostics. Choose from a single or dual wideband versions, both using genuine Bosch sensors and compatible with gasoline, race gas, E85, and even diesel. Perfect for street, strip, or dyno tuning. Monitor AFR live with a high contrast digital display, log to the onboard SD card, and review it all with powerful analysis software. Every pull, every run, dialed in. Start simple with a basic kit or go all in with one of 6 complete packages, including OBD-II and analog inputs. Tuning a carburetor, piggyback, or standalone ECU, the LM-2 adapts to your build, and its modular design means your setup grows with you. Innovate Motorsports LM-2. Tune smarter, drive faster.